1, 2, 3.
Lobo!
We are
Horizon!
Yeah.
We're back!
We're back in Instagram because we've been doing it TikTok lives recently, but now we're back. And yeah, what did you guys have for dinner?
I had Skyflakes.
What?
Yeah.
How many? Because I did see like a lot of plastics when I entered the
4 packs of Skyflakes.
Ako, chicken curry.
Same. Sabay kami kumain.
Bakit ganun? Bakit may monster?
Bakit may ano, no?
Spoiler mo ba yun for Watsons? Yun ba yung concept?
Ganun.
Yun! Okay, ikaw.
Chicken curry din. Tapos yung tilapia namin kanina.
Pero hindi yung tilapia.
Ginataang tilapia.
Tilapia yun! Parang ikaw
Ano, paksiw na ginataang tilapia.
Paano naging baksin tapos ginataan?
Hindi.
Yung lasa kasi.
Tapos taxi.
Yung oo nga.
Pili ko ginataan lang yun, hindi siya paksiw.
Ano, sobrang lasa asin.
Anyways, how about you?
I ate bulalo.
Tapos naghanap ka ng spoon kanina.
Saan ka nakahanap ng bulalo? Naka-ano? Pork. So, meron. Yung noodles?
Oo.
Ganyan pala.
Cup noodles ang nilin bulalo.
Bulalo pa rin yun. Nakapangalan na yun ng bulalo.
Naka-restaurant.
Salad.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we both ate salad.
May paayuda daw yung Watson page sa Watson's page.
Oh!
Anong paayuda?
Wait, what does that mean?
I don't know too.
But maraming paayuda ang Watsons for you guys.
Yeah.
Especially if you got tickets. Did you get your tickets already?
If you haven't, then you can...
Ito. Anong pwede nilang i-comment? Ibig sabihin, pupunta sila.
Comment,
Press.
press, comment,
What's
comment,
the best?
comment, Pogi si Marcus
Okay.
if you're coming to Watson.
Pogi si Marcus kung pupunta kayo.
Yeah. Just to boost my
Pogi.
self-esteem. Tapos wala pala nag-go.
Hindi kasi wala pupunta.
Hindi ko pala eh. Wala pa rin ako.
Wala.
Ay!
Either
Parang
hindi pogi talaga si Marcus.
Eh, may isa
wala
ako.
pupunta.
Dalawa. Nag-stop yung comment. Grabe na kayo.
Baka nag-lag kasi sobrang dami. Ala, may mga pogi daw si Vinci. Ay, no.
Marcus.
Parang binabalik tayo.
Nag-train niya si Marcus.
Ala, nag-lag. Mag-lag nga tayo. 5, 6, 7.
Yakin, mag-lag nga ito. Ba't gumagalaw yung kamay
Hindi,
ko?
ganun na siya. Yun na yung lag niya. Lag na siya sa totoong buhay.
Pre,
Hindi
ikaw
na
yung
kailangan.
lag, pre. Kakasabi lang yung Vinci na magtahimik. Humingay ka agad.
Guys, may tanong ako sa inyo.
Oh.
English or Tagalog?
English.
Sige, tatakbo na ako.
Whoever movies.
Anyways, we have lots to talk about today because it's only 2 days.
Yes.
Okay, isa pa.
Sige.
2 days before Watson's
Ladies
concert. Yeah.
Kuya Kim, saan with G22, Kaya, Alamat, and SB19.
Kanta tayo ng isang song ng kada group as respect. Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw muna sa G22.
Bang!
Bang, 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 umaalab, bang, 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 ready and shoot! Kanta lang kayo, and SB19! Bazinga! Hey! Yeah, gasolina! Yeah! Napaalinga! You should turn up the heat and I burn ya till I die! Bruce, be proud of Alamat! Hagkabagsin!
Ulutong umagnay!
Or, I think about you day and night. Mash up pala pag alamat. And kaya! 5, 6, 7, 8.
Diba sila nag-dash sila dati?
Oo.
Si Kaya. Nag-dash sila
Oh,
dati.
yeah.
Mga ate po namin sila, Ate Kaya.
Super
Thank you po
galing.
for the support. And thank you for coming to the Anchor event, right?
Oh, yeah, they
Oh,
went.
And they went to the Anchor event. So,
Thank you
salamat
so
po.
We appreciate it so much because we couldn't be there kasi nasa concert tayo ni Ismong Cholo Son Ben at that time. And we were just in Korea naturally. So
Yes.
we couldn't be there sa Philippines. I mean here.
But
that
we
happened.
will see each other in 2 days.
Yes, 2
We're so
days
excited.
na lang. And kailangan yung maklaim yung physical tickets nyo. So I hope you guys got your physical tickets.
Yes.
And yeah, did you get your physical tickets? Because I know parang you get it from the app and then pupunta ka sa mga SM malls or sa mga ticket stores and then you get your physical ticket.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
And there's lots of ang daming exciting stuff pa na mangyayari dun kasi may meet and greet!
Yes,
Yes,
go!
Yes, and ano ba yung mga nangyayari sa meet and greet?
And of course, mamimit.
Mag-meet.
Siyempre,
Mag-
wala
mag-
pag-uusap na
mag-usap.
gano'n.
Kamustahan.
Yeah.
Kung ano na feel nila, di ba? Tapos, meron kaming mga photo cards, mga poster,
Yeah,
na
that's right.
kami ka signed. So, marami talagang gifts, maraming perks.
Marami kayong magiging memorabilia for this concert kasi Watson's prepared so much for you guys, for all your fans, mga Anchors, 18s, Bullets, Zayas, and Magilios, every one of y'all,
Anchors.
you have something, there's something in store for you. So we hope to see you there and you guys have fun. Because it's like a whole day of celebration for P-pop and yeah, for all of the groups there. Kaya like, mag-enjoy talaga tayo kasi kami din mag-enjoy. So first time din kasi namin maging part ng ganitong malaking P-pop event, diba?
Yeah.
So it's a real honor and we're so glad that we're part of it.
Yeah.
So Horizon.
Mag-enjoy ka!
Yeah!
People are asking if this is... People are asking if this is a filter.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, but it's
No,
not.
it's not. It's just a shiny
Kung
thing.
filter yan guys, dapat lahat meron kami.
Pwede naman. I-share natin.
Sirain namin yung camera pag si Vinci lang yung meron talaga pag filter.
Wow.
Where'd you get that?
From the fan.
Try ko
the
nga
fan
sa
signing
akin. Mabagay
events.
ba?
Alamat X Hori Dance Challenge, please. We'll try. Honestly,
yeah, yeah.
we were really when we rehearsed with Alamat and the Spirit team, like was it yesterday?
Yeah. Yesterday lang yun?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
sorry,
yesterday.
yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday nakita-kita kami lahat. We basically spent the entire morning and afternoon together.
Yeah.
And they were
We had
super
breakfast
fun.
together and all.
Yeah, and lunch with some. And they're really nice to us. And uy, Philippines.
Philippines. Ang saya kasi grabe yung energy nung nagpa-practice
Philippines.
pa lang. Why? Grabe yung energy nung nagpa-practice pa lang kami. Kasi nandun nga lahat nung groups na kasali for the collaboration.
Yes.
And lahat kami tinatry namin talagang i-give yung best. And ang hype lang kasi, di ba, habang nagpa-perform each group, hype lang talaga and hype. As in,
Let's go!
support ng support. Kaya ang saya mag-perform ka sa pag ganun eh. Pag maraming nag-hype na tao. And syempre sa Watson's concert sa Sunday, maraming lalong taong mag-cheer kaya mas magiging energized kami. I feel.
Dati na, ano lang natin yung SB19 sa South Korea. No?
Yeah,
Doon
sa
kami nagkita-kita.
Busan,
Sa
last
Busan.
time natin
Sa
before.
Pistang Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Pinapangarap talaga namin na magka-collab or magkasama talaga. And ngayon nangyari.
Grabe,
Abangan.
grabe kasi as young artist, syempre, malaking honor yung ka-perform with such, seniors na sila and
Yeah.
matagal na sila sa industriya. Kaya super honored talaga kami na kasali kami.
Napaka-solid.
Napaka-solid.
Hindi lang in the same event pero as in nasa sa same stage.
Same stage.
Kaya we're so honored and we're so excited for it. Kaya sana kayo din excited.
Yes.
Excited na ba kayo?
Tapos di ba na yung fans mo?
Ayun, may TMI!
Yung
May
fans
TMI
mo.
siya, may TMI siya.
TMI sa words.
From yesterday.
Okay, sige, ikwento mo.
Kahapon, kasi yung yung performance talaga namin is gonna be I don't wanna spoil anything. I don't wanna spoil
But,
anything.
feeling ko mag-spoil nga ito ng onte kasi, di ba, grabe umabot sa
Grabe,
gano'n.
Yeah. So, napunit talaga yung pants ko. As in, hanggang dito yung punit niya. As in,
Bagong bili pa naman.
bagong bili yung
Bagong
pants
bili
ko
ni
na yun.
Mama, no?
Tapos, napunit yun while we were training. And then I was like, oh, does anyone have anyone have spare pants?
No one
And then-
had. No one did in
No
our
one
group.
from Horizon had one, but luckily, someone from SB19
Whoa!
gave me
Hey!
pants, and I think Kuya Stel was the one who to notice my pants, and now it's still with me. So Kuya Stel, ibabalik ko siya.
Ibalik niya.
Yeah!
Paano kanina? Frename niya na eh. Nandun sa, nakapaskel na dun sa kwarto niya.
Kaya hindi, Kuya Stel, pag kailangan mo pa yung,
Binalan.
pagka gusto mo yung pants, ibabalik ko na. Pero, kung
Bakit
pwede,
hindi mo naman kailangan?
sa kanila lang.
Parang marami naman ata siyang
Oo, maganda,
pants.
no?
Pero yung maganda talaga sa kanila pag sumasama kami sa, for example, nag-meet tayo sa kanila, like, parang mag-best friend na talaga kami na, like, uy, kamusta? Like,
Yeah.
ano, kamusta?
Parang feeling close ka lang, ata di ata kayo, Ben.
Pero guys, sobrang ang babait nila
Oo,
kasi
babait
sila,
sila.
sobrang nahiya ko kasi sila yung mas nauna yung zombie name tapos sila pa yung unang ang bait talaga nila nakipagkilala.
And also, we met up with them. All of sila na yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Sila na lahat.
And
Kami is Kuya Joe, ang saya.
Grabe,
Saya niya
nakita
kausap.
namin. Yeah,
Sorry.
nakita namin.
Pwede na daw siyang member.
He's so funny, he's so
Basta,
funny. I
ang
love
dami
it.
talagang, I think there were cameras during that day, so sana it will be like uploaded somewhere. So it was really fun to be with them. We had many interactions and yes, 8th member.
Tapos,
Kuya Joe.
tapos nagulat din ako.
Members,
Kasi
Kuya
nandun
Joe,
sila
no?
sa CR, tapos nag-CR ako. Then paglabas ko, biglang lumapit sa akin si Joe, tapos sabi, hi guys, so this is our new member Joe. Tapos nagulat ako, tapos sabi ko, hi, I'm new member of Alamat, Winston. Sabi ko,
Ano position mo doon sa alaman?
Ano?
Ikaw yung gimbal.
Gimbal. Ako yung gimbal.
Yung bal.
And, pero grabe nakakatawa kasi nagkaroon kami ng time to,
Ayaw pa namin masyado mag-spoil, but we just know it's gonna be so bomb, and the fact na napunit na yung pantalon ni Marcus sa practice,
Yes.
ibig sabihin talaga, it's gonna blow your minds
Baka-
and your...
Pero dapat matibay yung pants na dalhin nyo kasi baka mapunit din yung pants.
But pati ikaw ata kailangan mo tibayin yung
Baka
pants.
So yung matibay
Baka
talaga ako.
Kasi nung kahapon, di ba, sobrang challenge sa atin kasi sobrang gagaling ng alamat at saka yung Spirit.
Sobrang galing talaga.
Nakanaw talaga namin yung best
Kailangan
namin.
talagang, ano...
Di ba may camera, sinabi naman natin kung ano yung nangyari doon.
Meron, hindi kasi mayroon mga camera.
may nag-shoot.
So pagka
Alam mo, trip lang nila i-shoot, hindi nila ilalabas
Oo.
yun.
Minsan nagkikwento na kami ni Kuya Kim, tas biglang paglingon namin may nakagaling na sa akin.
Parang Dreammaker lang.
No,
May naalala ko dun ah.
Ano ba yung topic?
Ganun na mag-record. Tapos may ikot na yung buong topic. Biglang uminit. Oh. Ganun.
Biglang
Biglang
uminit.
Pero
Biglang
ba't biglang nga uminit? Kasi hindi mo sinarapit mo.
Tulo sinulit, dude.
Lang ikaw. Ay si Winston.
Si Winston din yung sarap.
Si Winston
Eh,
talaga.
di naman
Kaya
ako
lumalabas
sarap.
yung earphone eh.
Lumabas ko din ako sa rock.
Oo.
So, ganun pa rin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was that. It was so funny.
Yeah.
And, ay, syempre, kaya mo kami nandito para ipakita sa inyo ang pwede nyo
Ayan na!
mag-get, mabili, mag-everything.
Ayan!
Yung tote bag.
Rat bag.
Tote bag.
Yeah, share your
bag.
thoughts, bag. These are the Watson playlists,
Yeah.
tote bag merches and stuff that you can get. Get one and pass, guys.
Wow!
Oh, wait, it got something
Wow.
inside. We're gonna reveal it later. We're gonna reveal it later. So, is it enough for everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. These are the things you could buy. You can buy in the website and sa app. So yeah, you're just gonna model it in front of you guys just so you get to see how big it is. If you want one, of course you're gonna ask them, guys.
Pasok tayo sa Sunday, puro na
Ito meron ka na. Okay, go model nyo yan.
Pwede nang gamitin na pag magte-training tayo, no?
Sa Sunday, to so
Lagyan ng tumbler.
Hey!
Okay, so lahat, kunin natin yung nasa loob lahat at the same time.
Oh, sige.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
reveal.
Wait.
Five. Hindi ko din, so pero hindi ako sure kung pag binili nila to, may kasama na agad.
Feeling ko meron talaga.
Meron na, no? Feeling ko,
House and lot.
So ito na yun. Wow! It's a card
Ano siya?
holder.
Pwede siyang lalagyanan ng ID ganun.
Kapag pumasok kayo sa mall, pwede nyo ito pakita. Kuya, yung sa work na, pwede sa no ID, no entry. Pumunta kayo sa,
Member ka na yeah.
papasok kayo sa eskwelahan, tapos pakita
Oh, wow.
nyo
Pakita nyo
sa
talaga.
kaklase nyo.
Perfecto pag namalengke kayo sa Korea. Pwede rin sa Watsons guys. Pag pumunta kayong Watsons, pagkakaroon kayo ng discount.
Oh my gosh!
Yes,
So,
discount.
Wala pa rin kasi.
May nagsabi, tao ba si Waster?
Wala.
Anino lang siya.
Mannequin?
Sorry.
Yan. It's kind of hot, he?
Unfortunately, sing tayo? Yeah, sure. Pose. Later, we'll have picture time.
We'll have picture.
Ang tahimik daw ni Jiro ngayon. Jiro, sumigaw mo nga. Alright, guys. Tulog na yung kabila. Wala po. Tao
Sumigaw talaga siya.
Pero at least hindi na tahimik si Jiro. Nilabasan yung lahat ng galit niya. My third wheel. Mine one.
Yeah.
Basta ako, excited na talaga ako sa 18.
Ako din. Kasi gusto ko na din talagang ma-meet kayo sa Watson's concert, di ba?
Yeah, it's
Nakikita na tayo ulit, guys.
Tsaka alam ko, like, there are 50 winners for the meet and greet. So, congratulations to those.
Wow.
Congratulations. And see you up close sa
Sana
Sunday.
masaya po kayo.
Pag napansin niyo ko, iyak ako mga happy tears. Okay, go
Happy
cry
tears.
now.
Okay.
Cry.
Yes, don't forget to also download the app, Watson's app, and yeah, go to the website. Kasi nandun din lahat ng mga details sa mga social medias nila na kailangan yung malaman. Kasi alam ko you also need to prepare the waiver forms for minors and for PWDs and you know, people who need the waivers.
Yeah.
So get those as well para wala kayong complications kasi the last thing you want before a concert is
Biglang hindi makapasok.
Yeah, hindi makapasok. It's gonna be stressful. So sana everyone is preparing. Ngayon pa lang kasi 2 days na lang.
Yes, 2 days na lang,
2 days na lang, guys.
Friday na, Saturday, Sunday, you know. Magpaano tayo, beauty rest tayo bukas. Kaya mag-prepare na kayo ngayon pa lang. Beauty rest.
Pero guys, na-enjoy nyo na din yung ano namin, yung comeback namin. Sumunod.
Oh, there's 30 winners pala daw sa ano. 30 winners.
30 winners, not 50. Okay.
30.
Yeah.
30. Sorry dun sa 20.
Yeah. Minus plus 10.
Plus 10.
So, plus 10.
And then let's read the comments and what. Do you have any questions? We'll try to answer them as accurate as possible. But if we can't, just refer to Watson's.
Meron pa pala, di ba? For the dress codes.
Oh,
yes.
we saw that Anchors wanted to wear
To do the
White,
blue and
white,
white.
white.
That's like your color.
Yeah, blue.
Blue and white.
Kaya nga nagsuot ako ng
May socks.
yun na white din.
Okay, that's
Pero
nice.
blue and white.
Wow.
He got the baddest dad jokes, Winston.
But I'm excited to see the other fandoms' color.
Yes.
Dress codes.
Ano nga yung sa iba? Alam niyo ba?
Kung alam nyo.
Alam niyo ba ang suot ng mga 18s, Magilios, Bullets, Sayas?
Guys nyo po sa alamat. Mahal po sila lahat. Pero
Yes,
napaka-angas pa ni Kuya Mo.
So,
Tapos nasabi ko sa kanya,
Sobrang
Kuya
angas
Mo,
yun.
hello po ang angas ko po. Tapos,
Sabi niya mas maangas pa daw si Marius.
true. Pero compliment ka diba ng ano?
Ang gwapo mo daw.
I
Ang
think
gwapo mo
sige
daw.
na compliment siya.
La-
Ang tangkad daw.
Di ba yung sinabi mo kanina nung kumahal
Ang tangkad niyo.
Hindi, yun.
Ikaw yung na-compliment.
Sige,
diba?
sige,
Sabi-
kaya.
Sabi nila, grabe naman si Kuya Kim.
Pumayat naman. Pero ang dami nang sabi sa momento.
Umuwi ka nga.
Hindi na napansin.
Pero si Winston talaga yung lagi yung tinatanong ano eh.
Oh, everyday.
Everyday lagi yung tinatanong, di ba?
Kung may sasabihin niya, minsan pumayat ako, sasabihin ko, hindi. Sige na, pumayat ka na. Sabi niya,
Maybe I should remove the hoodie.
yeah, why am I wearing a hoodie?
Ouch.
Yung event ng Watson sa Mawa Arena.
Get mo talaga, Kim?
Arena.
Mo Arena.
Huwag niyo kalimutan yung location na yun. Doon tayo magkikita
Sa Mawa Arena. Parang, parang apelyedo siya ng no?
ng Mawa.
Guys, tulog na tayo, guys.
Hindi namin ipapatayin yung ulan.
Dito na tayo matutulog.
Mag-sleep call tayo.
Sige.
next.
Sabay-sabay tayo matulog.
Magpapatayin na yung ilaw.
party.
Ito, why can blue and white?
Andun yung yung switch Try nyo nga. Try nyo ba?
good child kayo.
Boy, parang cute din pa
Ayun, mag-party-party na tayo.
Tara guys!
5, 6, 7, 8,
Ngayon, shayaya! Shayaya!
Silent version, silent. 5, wait.
Sumayaw. Watch my playlist. Watch my playlist. Hey, mag-enjoy ka.
What is that?
Naku, may ibon.
Boy.
I think KK.
Hey Google.
KK erased her.
No, that's Razor's phone, bro.
May ibon ka dyan.
Yeah. Jiro, magsample ka daw ng rap mo sa sumayo. What kind of, okay, ano daw? Just come and get it, yo, come and get it, sumayaw, this music is crazy, let you know. Korean, Korean.
Napakagaling naman talaga ng bata. Sa batang kinumika.
Parang tara, hanurang nara, sumayaw, yung wani panchagil wana.
Wow!
Pasan mo repeat. May hindi yan mo. Tulog na po si Marcos.
Ay, may tulog na nga.
May tulog na dito guys.
Kasi ano na
Ay,
eh.
dandahan guys.
Late na din eh.
Yeah,
Kaya
probably.
maybe we will sleep in a bit na din. Pero we'll hang out with you guys for now.
Yeah.
What do you guys wanna do?
What if mag-sleep call with the Anchors?
What's a sleep call?
Like, naka-call lang.
While sleeping.
Yeah, sleep live.
Champions Ay!
Is that what you always do? With your mom?
Oo, walang pumansin kay... Walang pumansin kay...
Hindi kasi,
Alam mo,
Korean kasi yun.
nagsasalita siya, hindi siya pinapansin eh.
Sorry.
May, kaya Wilson hanggang dito lang.
Hanggang dito lang.
Mali.
Ay, wait lang,
Si Marcus.
mag-post muna tayo with the Watson's tote bags bago tayo magpo-post for pictures. So,
Yes.
para ano tayo?
Apron.
Photo time! Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba ito live? Or buksan mo lang? Kaya Kim, pabukas nga lang. Yeah.
Pwedeng
Okay.
dumaan pa gano'n.
Go compress na lang tayo guys.
Watson's April.
5, 6, 7.
Ito yan, ayan na.
1, 2, 3. Say Watson's.
Yay!
Perfect!
Oh no! Wait lang, paano to? Paano to i-end?
Anyo!
Utok eh?